How to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 connection failed, networking failed to start. First step, open run and type the following text ncpa.cpl, click OK. If you are using Ethernet, go with Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi. Right click, click disable, wait for 5 to 10 seconds, then one more time right click and click enable. Once enabling after, close it. Next step, search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrator, type the following text ipconfig space slash flush DNS, click enter. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next command ipconfig space slash release, click enter. Next command ipconfig space slash renew, click enter. Next command netsh space winsock space reset, click enter. Next command netsh space int space ip space reset, click enter. Exit it. Next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and click reset now. Once the reset complete after, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click allow an app features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings, scroll down and search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you need to enable it. If the application not having means you need to add the application. For adding the application, click allow another app in the bottom side. Click it. Click browse. Go to C drive and add it. Once adding after, we need to enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Then move on with next step. Open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. If you are not having means the error will occur. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Close it. Then restart the device. Thank you.